I am Dr. Gordon Rangat, Chief Medical Officer of Nazareth Hospital, Shillong. My age is 71 years plus. I will be 72 this year because many people feel that they are too old to have the vaccine or with other problems, which is the reason why I am giving this interview. Normally I do not give too many interviews, but this I believe is an important one, which is the reason why I am giving this interview at this time. I have some comorbidities, not too much. I have hypertension, but I am treating that and my blood pressure is under control. I have no other comorbidities. There are people who are worried because they have other problems. Maybe those would give some problem, but I do hope that it will not affect most of you. The reason why I am getting this vaccine, two reasons. First is because I want to show the people that we need to take part in the activities of the country as well. Many believe that God will save them, and I believe that also. I am a believer, I have faith. I believe that God works not only directly, but He works also through the technology which we have, the people which He has given the strength to work, and therefore believing in both, I have taken this vaccine as to show people that I would like to support the country in its activities. How I heard about the vaccine would be obvious, because I am a health worker. I am in charge of the hospital as well as Chief Medical Officer, therefore have been involved in this vaccination drive and programs. So it is not unexpected that I would be hearing about the vaccine. My friends and family have not discouraged me. There may be some of you who listen who might have had discouragement from different people that this will happen, that will happen, you will die, you will have dying, we will all die at some time or another, I believe. But there may be discouragement. For me, there was obviously no discouragement, because my family and friends believe that what I do is for the good, and therefore there is no discouragement. I have taken the first dose 1 month ago, 28 days ago, and this is my second dose. There may be some reactions, that is known with vaccines. There may be minor reactions, there may be major reactions as well, but we go with the belief that if the large majority of the population can be immunized against the vaccine, then it will definitely bring the incidence of the disease down, which is the reason why mass vaccination is going on. There are concerns that it may cause complications. Those are true, they are right, but I would believe that we can handle most of them. The other concern which people voice is that the vaccine has been brought out too fast, too quickly, and therefore not enough trials have been done. That also may be true, but we have to accept that vaccines have been useful in the past, and we do hope that these vaccines will work, and that they will raise the immunity level of the whole community, so that India as a whole can be get rid of this, or can come through this time of pandemic. Because it is a pandemic situation, obviously the rapidity of the vaccine production has gone more than with most other vaccines. We hope that it will be effective. We go with the faith that it will be effective, and we believe that this will happen. So thank you very much. I will not take too much time. My main reason for this is to support those who have decided to do, and to give a message to those who have not yet decided that you can take part as well. Thank you again. I'm looking at different cameras. Thank you very much.
Together we shall overcome. Let's be responsible citizens.